What is up, YouTube? It's your boy, Dirt Bike for Life here, and today I will be, this is part 2 of rebuilding my yz250f. I have my frame and my engine sitting right here. That's pretty much all it is. I'm going to be taking the engine out of it today and any other small pieces, so that I can get to cleaning up the engine and the frame. And yeah, I will be right back. So, obviously you guys can tell from the last episode, really nothing has changed. This is the whole fork, the fork says triple clamp assembly. This bottom bearing is shot, so I'm going to be having to replace the entire fork bearing set. Yep. I'm going to maybe not set my phone down. Pick this up and turn it a little bit. Turn it on the stand. So my little Gatorade bottle right there, that was for draining gas out of the hoses if there was any left in there. So yep, all I'm gonna have to do is take off this top engine mount right here. I'm also going to have to drain the oil out of the frame right here and out of the engine. I'm gonna have to remove this engine holder thing right there too. Not sure what that bolt is right there. I'm going to figure that out though. Turn my flash on. So yep, this frame definitely needs a cleaning to it. That might be a little part for oil or something, but there's the other engine mount right there behind this little bar right here. I'm obviously going to be changing the oil in this bike. I mean, that's just kind of common sense, but yep. Other than that, let's get to it. So since I just barely have most of these bolts on here, I can kind of just like take them off. This one still has a washer on there. I'm just gonna use a ratchet and I'm going to hammer that out. I will be right back when I get a stand for my camera. Alright, so here we go. I got it set up. If it falls, it falls. So what? So I need to find me a hammer, which I probably don't have in here, which is not good. I do not know where it went. So I will be right back when I find it. So here we go. I got it up in a position. Let's see, what can I use to push it out with? Possibly this. Well, looks like I can't use that anymore. There's the washer. Anyways, let's see. Where is my ratchet? Here it is. There she is, got her out. Okay. So I think that we're going to start off with this top engine mount right up here. I do not know where this came out of. I just randomly pulled it out. Oh, it probably came from right here. Alright, this should not be that easy to pull out. Alright, so we got Allen key on this side and bolt on this side. So I'm going to try and start off with the Allen key side. So I have this Allen wrench. I will be here working on the last engine mount. Okay, that was a lot looser than I anticipated on being. I don't think that should have been that loose. Okay, well, anyway, now let's top engine mount. Sorry if the camera's not focusing. Here's the other two engine mounts. There's that engine mount. So, got the top one off. Let's see. What we are also going to have to do is take this spark plug thing out. Right engine mount, left engine mount. Okay. Alright, so as of right now, we got so I'm going to get this drain plug out for the oil that is inside the frame. And yeah, got my air can right here. I didn't take any of the good ones because, you know, I don't know. It was probably too small and it probably wouldn't have fit in here, so that when I drain the oil out from the engine, I don't even know where the drain plug is. I completely forgot. Yep, not entirely sure. Oh, I think I found it. Maybe. No, probably not. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Alright, so I have the oil drain pan right here. So, this should not be on that tight. And it just wants to come off. You know, it probably doesn't help that I broke the socket. Yep. I will be right back when I find another 12mm. Because that one is broken. Alright, so I'm back with another 12mm. Why is this so tight? Should not be this tight. This is just going to spray or not. Why is there no oil?
Nova, sit. Nova, sit.
There's a very little amount of oil.
Good girl, Nova. Okay, calm down.
So next up is the antifreeze. So I'm going to need a Phillips screwdriver for that. Alright, so I will be doing the antifreeze now. I'm going to have to loosen up this hose clamp. Alright, here we are now. So, yes, well, excuse all the noise that is coming from the other room.
Why are you naming gifts? You need a marker now. Why are you just writing your name on stuff?
They are making Christmas gifts.
No, it's not.
Okay, so I might need to grab something to push this off.
Emma, you go see what Mia's doing.
Here it comes. Alright. There we go. Nice and green. Nothing bad inside of it. It's good. Oh, that's not good. Now, obviously, there is oil inside of this, and I'm obviously not reusing this antifreeze, not refusing or reusing any of the fluids that I take out of this bike. So, should be good. Just in case, I'm just going to put it down there so that it could just drip some more. I don't even think that it's getting. No, it's just dripping down the frame. I don't think that'll help, but whatever. I just sprayed antifreeze in my face. Was not good. All right. Just going to set this hose clamp back here, and I will be right back. I'm going to drain the other side. Kind of forgot that I wasn't recording. So I got the radiators off, obviously. So yeah, I think that the next step to get the engine out is to, let's see, I think that I definitely gotta take off these pieces right here, and then I got to find the lower engine mount, which is right back there behind that, as you guys can see, that bolt 10mm. At least that's what I think that it says. So I gotta take that off from right here and from right up in there. Unless I can reach it from this side. Let me check. Yep, it might be easier to just take this one off. That is the top engine mount. Or that is the side engine mount, kind of. This is the top engine mount. As you guys can see, since there is a little bit of play in this Kickstarter, I'm going to need a new one. Now this isn't the play, that's actually like kicking it. But either way, I'm still gonna need a new one because it wiggles a little bit. But yeah, one thing that I didn't really know about this is that it has 5 valves. It's a 5-valve. My dad didn't even know that. He's the one who got this bike. But yeah. So far, that is my progress that I have done. This is all of the antifreeze. No, none of that stuff fell out of it. This grass and stuff was just inside of the radiator guards. This oil and other stuff was already inside of here. So yeah, we cannot get this bolt. Ow, that is really sharp. We cannot get this bolt off. It was, you can't even tell anymore, but it was an Allen key slot. And then my dad decided to grind into it to see if we can get it off that way. But it is not coming off, so what we might have to do is drill it and tap it, possibly. Or just get a whole new reservoir. That is always an option, too. Yep, those are our updates on it. So, I'm gonna have to get that one off, and I will. Alright, so now I gotta find a 8mm. That's an 11. That's a 10. I mean, 8mm should be on the drill bit. Set that right there. Yep, well that has oil in it, obviously. Let that drain into there. So then now I gotta do this hose clamp up in here. Grab this little neato thing for the drill, or impact gun. Of course I gotta drop it. This is a little bit difficult to do with 2 hands, so I'll put down the camera real quick. Alright. That was difficult to do with one hand. I guess I might as well see where the other side comes off. Okay, yeah, I can get that pretty easily. What does that hook up to? Oh, it's fine anyways. I don't even care. Alright. So, now that we got that off, set that bolt right there. I know it's not the best spot to put it right now, but where we to get this bottom piece off that looks like a 10 or a 12 millimeter. Let's try 13, 15. That's like slightly too big. Half inch, no. So I might have to grab some more sockets. So it is a 14 millimeter, and I have to go out into the garage and grab one, and I'll be right back. In there. Yep, well, I seen the engine drop. Set that also right there. Yep, engine's loose, obviously. I will be back when I figure out how to get this last bolt off. Alright, so I got everything taken off. I got all the throttle cords run through all of these little holes right here. I got the last engine mount out. I got all of these plugs unplugged. Everything off that I need off to where I could just take out the engine. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so let's see if my camera will stay in that position. I'm going to try and somehow figure out how to maneuver my engine out of here. I should just have to pick it up, slide it out. Possible some sort of twist or something, I'm not sure. I'm going to move this bucket. Zip tie. That shouldn't be this difficult. I'm probably just doing something wrong, like usual. Yep. Oh, yeah. What do you know? There's also that cord. turns out there was one more cord that I need to unhook, which I obviously now cannot unhook because I need some sort of screwdriver. Screwdriver. I'll be right back when I find one. Alright. So my camera doesn't seem to want to focus. Focus. There we go. So I got that last stupid wire off that I needed off. Now I should just be able to, yep. Oops. There's one stupid zip tie holding the stupid thing on. I don't know how aggravated I am because I literally just spent the time to get those stupid zip ties off and they didn't come off. Obviously, I missed these ones. That one. Trying not to cut the wire. Here's the engine, all alone by itself, disconnected from the frame. Okay, now I'm gonna pick this thing up, put it over here in this spot. Okay. Now I'm going to put the frame back up onto here. There we go. I got the engine out of my dirt bike. And there it is. Alright, so that's what will wrap it up for this video. I will see you guys next time when there's the spark plug, Yep, well, I will see you guys next time when I clean off this whole frame and when I clean up this motor. Well, I mean, I will probably make it 2 separate videos. Yep, I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below what should I do with this dirt bike next, and I will see you guys all next time. Peace.